Hi friends, I'm Natalia at Mom's Dish, and today we are making pecan raspberry thumbprint cookies. What I love about this cookie, it's crumbly, sweet, totally melts in your mouth, but the center has like a nice tart raspberry flavor. For this part, you want to use your mixing bowl. I am using room temperature butter. It's unsalted, and we're gonna combine, it's a cup and a half of butter, so quite a bit of butter for this recipe, probably what makes it really good. And we're gonna add sugar to the mix and just whip it up until it's nice and fluffy. And we're gonna use this whisk for the recipe and just start out slowly as always, speed up the speed as you go. And then we're gonna add an egg yolk to the mix. You wanna set your egg whites aside and just use them for whatever you want or just dump it out, up to you. And then this egg yolk goes to the mix. We're gonna whisk this up until it's nice and combined and fluffy. Now we're gonna add flour and salt and pecans to the mix. Just dump it all in. Don't make as much mess. Just a pinch of salt. Then you want the pecans to be crushed and roasted. They add a lot more flavor. Now we're gonna line the baking sheet with some parchment paper. It makes your life much easier. I get it pre-cut at Amazon. I will link to it down below because literally it's one of the best things that you can get on Amazon. And then we're gonna use a cookie scoop, scoop out little ball-shaped cookies onto a baking sheet and place them, I would say a few inches apart. They do spread when they're baking, so you wanna give them some space. In the center of each cookie, you wanna make a little well. I am using just like a measuring spoon and just press this in the center. And it's okay if they crack just a little bit. You just go as you need to, it's fine. Okay, we're gonna scoop a little bit of raspberry jam into each cookie. I love using raspberry jam because it gives you some tart flavors. You can choose whatever you would like. It's really up to you. I think peach or apricot jam would be really good here. We're gonna pop them in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes, and then you wanna check on them until they're nicely getting golden at edges, and they're gonna be done. When the cookies come out of the oven, you want them to cool down a little bit. You wanna keep those crispy edges, so I just place them on the cooling rack. It's really convenient, just pop them on here. And just like that, you are the cookie pro.